Hi everyone. Now I've decided to do something a little different for this video. I wanted to do a quick painting that would take less than an hour, so I've decided to do this small painting of a lit candle, which, well, I hope will be a fairly simple demonstration to follow. I'm starting this painting with ivory black mixed with some liquin. Now, as this painting will be completed within the hour, I'm going to use what is called the primer method, which basically means it's painting wet on wet, usually done in one session. Here I'm adding red iron oxide, which will be for the warm light coming from the candle. I finish off the blending here with fan brushes. Now I find these fan brushes become less effective for blending as soon as they become overloaded with paint. So this is why, well, I probably use 2, 3, maybe even 4 at a time. So for the candle here, I'm not applying any paint, but wiping off the black with a rag to reveal the white gesso underneath. Here I've got some rag wrapped around the end of a paintbrush. Now this enables me to actually remove paint in much finer detail. So once I've removed the black and revealed the basic shape of the candle, I can now start painting. I'm using strong contrast here between light and dark. Now this method of painting is actually called, well, if I can pronounce it correctly, Chiaroscuro. Now this method actually originated during the Renaissance. The term chiaroscuro comes from the Italian words chiaro, meaning bright or light, and oscuro, which means dark. Chiaroscuro was actually made popular by some of the old masters. Now these are 3 of my favourite artists. We have Rembrandt, Vermeer and Caravaggio. Beautiful, beautiful work, isn't it? Here I'm adding just a little bit of ultramarine blue near the wick, just at the base of the flame. Here I'm just adding some cadmium yellow to the edges of the flame. This really gives a sort of warm glow to the flame. Right, now as I've already mentioned, this method of painting relies on strong contrast between lights and darks. In fact, these bold contrasts can really give depth to a painting and, well, create a sort of 3-dimensional effect. And as you can see here, I've used this method for these 3 figure paintings. Now this is a short clip from one of my previous videos. This actually shows me using this painting method, so I will leave a link to this at the end of this video. Just a few touches of white on the candle stem and I think I'm done here. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.